If wolves want meat, meat valuable. If wolves want a lot of meat, meat extra valuable. Wolf stare with hungry eyes. Meat glow like treasure. Wolf drool. But if wolves want little meat, meat not valuable. Meat sit lonely on rock. No wolf care. Value fall. Meat feel ignored. Meat sad. If hunters bring a little meat, meat rare. Wolf sniff everywhere. No meat. Wolf panic. Wolf trade many shiny rocks for tiny piece of meat smaller than squirrel lunch. If hunters bring lots of meat, meat everywhere. Meat rain from sky. Meat pile high like mountain. Wolf climb meat mountain like hero wolf. Meat common. Meat lose prestige. Value drop. Wolf shrug. When meat rare, wolf give many shiny rocks. When meat common, wolf give few shiny rocks. This supply and demand. Forest law. Unbreakable. Even squirrel knows this. Squirrel smartest in forest. Squirrel wear glasses. If wolves suddenly want more meat, but hunters bring same amount, meat become rare instantly. Price rise. Wolf needs bigger pouch of shiny rocks for same meat. Wolf annoyed. Wolf grumble. Wolf blame economy. If wolves want same meat as always, but hunters bring less meat, oh boy. Forest full chaos. Howling everywhere. Lines long like river. Wolves argue. Wolves cry. Wolves accuse each other. Wolf market meltdown. Hunter says, less meat today. Wolves say, more rocks for you. Because demand high, supply low, price goes crazy. Wolf sad, hunter stressed, forest unstable. If hunters bring more meat but wolves not very hungry, meat sits around. Value drop. Hunter sad. Wolf happy. Wolf buy cheap. Wolf host meat party. Wolf invite everyone. If meat cheap, wolves buy more. If meat expensive, wolves buy less. Simple forest logic. Economics of stomach. Sometimes wolves want meat because other wolves want meat. Wolf copy wolf. Wolf think, other wolf excited, must be good meat. Demand explode. Price follow. Even if meat same as yesterday, this herd behavior. Wolf herd silly sometimes. Sometimes hunters bring too much meat because last week wolves hungry, but this week wolves full. Hunter miscalculate. Meat overflow. Price crash. Hunter cry quietly behind tree. If wolf pack grows bigger, more hungry mouths. Demand rise. If wolf pack shrinks, demand fall. Forest population change economy. If hunters invent new tools, better spears, faster traps, magical sticks, they bring more meat. Supply rise. Price fall. Wolf rejoice. Wolf stomach happy. But if storms hit forest, hunters hunt less. Supply fall. Price rise. Wolf angry. Wolf curse sky. Sky ignore. If rumor spreads, meat makes wolf stronger. Every wolf rush to buy meat. Demand spike. Price rocket to moon. Meat hype insane. Wolf overpay. Wolf regret next day. If hunters store meat, wait until wolves desperate, then sell at high prices. Supply fake low. Price manipulated. Wolf furious. Wolf call this hunter trickery. Wolf leader make meeting. Wolf leader say, we must understand supply and demand for forest economy to survive. Wolf pack nod. Wolf pack pretend understand. But wolf pack confused, so wolf explains again. More meat, price down. Less meat, price up. More hungry wolves, price up. Less hungry wolves, price down. Supply and demand, play tug of war every day. Price stuck in middle. Price move up, price move down, price unpredictable. Like mouse escaping. Sometimes supply flat. Demand crazy. Sometimes demand flat, supply crazy. Sometimes both crazy. Forest chaos. Wolf economist cry. Wolf must understand why meat cheap today, expensive tomorrow, random next week. Smart wolf watch supply. Smart wolf watch demand. Smart wolf hunt when cheap. Smart wolf save shiny rocks. Smart wolf survive winter. Wolf that ignores supply and demand. Broke. Confused. Hungry. Sad. Tail droop. Not good. Wolf pack that understands economics. Strong pack. Clever pack. Survive storm. Lead forest. Wolf pack that does not wander clueless. Lose shiny rocks. Lose meat. Lose patience. So wolf explains supply and demand. Wolf make it simple. Wolf make it clear. Wolf want pack smart, not starving. Please subscribe. Wolf appreciate. Wolf give more forest economics soon. Wolf protect pack with big brain knowledge.